a chilly early morning. You made a muddy mess.
No, I didn't.
Did the cow did?
It's him.
No.
Can't tell where he's at. Right there.
That was you.
It was him.
That was definitely you.
It was Tommy. And we didn't spill any.
So this is the first swipe of our new field, 54-acre field. So far I don't think it's running terrible, but these are the headlands, you know how those run. Not a whole lot of coon damage and deer damage on the tree line. I'm actually kind of surprised, but I am happy. Right, Easton? So as of right now, the headlands are running about 160. I mean, I tell you what, it is very, very beautiful back here. All the hills and terraces and waterways. Sun shining. Best of all, a beautiful John Deere combine. Well, we got about 18 acres off. This is the new farm, so that we just bought, I don't know, in April, and it's running about, I'd say about 200. I know I said the headlands are about 160, but now that we're in the inside of the field, it's been about 200, and I've seen 260, and so pretty happy so far. So very happy. Yeah, they really got a load on it. And then there's me, really enjoying my life as a grain cart driver. Well, the elevator's closed and it's lunchtime and Ohio State plays Michigan today, so hopefully OSU wins. Go Bucks. Well, they lost, so we're back out here filling wagons up. All I want to say is I've been with my wife for 3 years now and have yet to see a Ohio State win, so
So this field definitely had its own set of unique challenges. First off, we didn't have a grain cart before we bought this field. We knew we'd need one eventually, and one kind of came up maybe 2-3 months ago that we decided to buy. And for this year, it worked out perfect. For this field specifically, we had to park all the semis and tractors up on the hill past the creek. And that seemed like it was a mile round trip. Now in this clip, you can see me driving to the creek, and eventually I will cross it. The hard part was getting through the creek and all the mud and water that gets on the tires. You know, when you go up the hill, it gets muddier and muddier, and pulling 34,000 pounds of grain up that hill with this tractor, which is a 205 horsepower tractor, it's a 4955, but it did good. But towards the end, when I'm wearing the trail out, it's got a little iffy with the traction up top the hill. But overall, we persevered the tractor anyway, and it worked out pretty good. And I think we'll probably keep using this method in the future because it's just a simple way. It's just hard keeping grain away from this big of a combine when you're trucking grain, 2 miles away. So.
Nice one. I will say this combine does eat some corn. It is a monster.
kind of a dangerous hill. You can't really see because the tree's that way, so helping Dad get out of here. On the home stretch of this field, I got about 2 rounds left, I think. So it's 4:30 p.m. on Friday, December 1st, and I got my paperwork from our local elevator about all the bushels that we brought in the last week or so. And it looks like I brought in a total of 8,500 bushels. So if you divide that by the acreage of our field, it came out to about 177 an acre. So that's a little bit better than, well, so that's not quite as good as I thought it ran in the field, but I mean, after being in the field, there was so many wet spots. So I didn't take into account that wet bushels and dry bushels. So 177, about average. So I think tile is in our future probably 2 years from now, and I think that'll make a big difference. The other 2 fields that we had tiled that is the same variety ran like 210 to 220, and then this one at 178. I think we can kind of see the benefits of tile, and that is definitely in our forecasted future. So yeah, but I can't complain. Not a terrible first year. Can't thank you guys enough. Thanks for watching and following my journey in our farm life. And if you're interested in watching more, give me a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Ready to sign your life away again?
Yep.
3rd time this year?
2nd.
No, we got married.
I don't have to sign anything for that.
We had to sign documents to get married.
Like, maybe
And I
one.
signed my life away, I guess.